Teacher, good night. Ahora le voy a presentar mi trabajo, lo voy a exponer. Bueno, last year I had an important experience that changed the with a thing about my health. Uh, it was in July on a cool morning. I was at home and I felt very tired. There was a strong pain in my head, and there, there were some strange sy- symptoms that I did not understand. At that moment, I thought this is not normal. My mother said you should go to the doctor. At first, I didn't want to want to go because I thought it was something simple. Um, However, the pain was worse, so we they the decided to go to the hospital. When we arrived, there were many people in the uh, waiting room. That place was crowded, but the doctors were very kind, and the doctor uh, asked me some questions. How many hours did you sleep? How much water did you drink?